In a lush, green forest, there lived a skunk named Sage. Unlike other skunks, Sage was known for his remarkable fragrance. One day, Sage found a sweet-smelling flower, more enchanting than any other he had ever encountered. His curiosity piqued, he approached it cautiously, but his nose betrayed him. As he neared the flower, a gust of wind blew, scattering its petals, and the sweet scent filled the air. Sage, overcome by his desire, reached out to take the flower, but as he did, the sweet scent turned into a powerful stench. Sage was shocked and dismayed. He had been tricked by the allure of something that was not what it seemed. He realized that sometimes beauty can be deceiving. From that day forth, Sage learned to be careful, to trust his instincts, and to know that not everything that appears beautiful is beneficial. He shared this valuable lesson with all his forest friends, and they all lived wisely, knowing the importance of discernment. So remember, dear friends, just like Sage, always be cautious and discerning, for not everything that is beautiful is good for you. A little wisdom can save you from a lot of trouble.